Okay, well, that's been a pretty decent look at different styles of RVs, whether you want to tow or drive, and you're going to say, hey, Russ, I still don't know. That's the hard one. Now, basically, what you really need to look at and decide and think about is what am I going to use that RV for? Am I going to full time? Are you going to retire and be out there full time? Then you're going to be looking at the larger Class A's, toy haulers, pull trailers, something that you're going to live in comfortable because you're going to be in it year round. If you're going to part time it, say like take the family out on weekends, maybe the pop up truck camper, a tent, anything like that, or one of those micro trailers. They are absolutely perfect. You might want to say, well, I'm going to travel. I just want to see the country. A Class B, two people in a van, you're gone. You're seeing the country. So there's all different kinds. And also, there's the big one. I want to boondock and live out there for free. And you can. There's plenty of land to do that on. So there's just a lot of different avenue. My biggest suggestion, and I've given this so many times, most of these places rent RVs. Go get a rental. Try it out. Go rent a Class C. Go rent a Class A. Go rent a van, whatever, and get out there and try it for a weekend or two. Because another mistake a lot of people make, they get excited, they go out and spend a whole bunch of money on an RV, and these things aren't cheap. Even those pole trailers, you're $20,000, $30,000, and it ends up sitting in your driveway 9 times out of 10, a good chunk of the year, or it sits in a storage lot a good chunk of the year, and you're paying storage, and they don't get used. And that's probably one of the hardest things on an RV is just to have it sit. So, anyway, those are food for thought, whatever you want to call it. So, thanks for watching this chapter. We're going to get into the next one, like right now.